Okay, so this is my first time with my aligners, my trays. Tray 1, I've only had them in for a few hours and I have eaten already, and I can tell you they hurt terribly. The whole process of putting them in was not as bad as I thought it was going to be. I had to get 22 attachments, which is at least one on every tooth, and I have 2 on each canine. 2 on each canine, so I'm talking a little funny. Feels terrible. They are recommending that I change my trays out every 7 to 10 days or whenever they fit comfortably and they slide in fine and I take them out fine. So basically I decide whenever I have to change my trays, which is something I had not heard of because of all of the research I did was not regarding Swankies. Swankies is entirely different. There was one sharp edge that I had in the back that was pinching my tongue, but I filed that down. It seems to have worked fine now. So yeah, my face feels a little funny. That's how it looks like when I close my mouth now. It doesn't look to me like it's completely closed. It doesn't feel like it's closed because in the back they have bite trainers, which is basically just to kind of teach your mouth how to be, aligned correctly instead of having an overbite, which I have. So they put in those attachments. It took an hour, the whole thing, and the attachments felt like shark teeth on my teeth on top of them. So when the first time I closed my mouth after they put them in, it was like almost cut me. But they're actually not that bad now. When I took them out to eat, I was actually okay. It felt like a relief having the trays out. And the pain is substantially worse than it was with just my teeth moving naturally, of course. So I feel like I have extra spit in my mouth simply because it feels like I have something in my mouth. My mouth's trying to start digestion. So I feel like it's a big part of having a lisp. I don't feel like my lisp is that bad. Taking them out is kind of horrible on the top. Taking them out feels like somebody's pulling my teeth. They're that tight. So yeah, I'm not looking forward to the adjustment period that I have to go through every time I get new trays. Because it's going to be worse and worse and worse because they're supposed to be moving my teeth. Another thing is that I asked them if they were going to file my teeth, which a lot of people have put out there that sometimes they do to make more room in your mouth. But because I had the extractions, I wasn't sure. I mean, I have crowding, but it's not like excessive after I've had my extractions done. So I feel like it'll be okay. And she said, no, I don't have to have any filing done. So here they are. I don't think you can really tell on camera that bad. Most people don't really see them if I don't tell them I have them on. Even my fiance, he walked in and he didn't realize I had them put in, and, speaking normally, and I was just talking to him, and he was, after I went, he noticed, and he was like, oh, you got them put in today. So I feel like if you don't tell people, they don't really know, and if you're trying your best to speak normally, you'll probably do fine if it's really a big issue with the invisibility part, even me with all the 22 attachments. My brother just said, oh, it looks like you just got a piece of plastic stuck on your tooth, for this one especially. Now they do get foggy, which I wasn't really sure how to feel about that. It looks a little gross when you look at it up close. And of course where I got my extractions done, you see that's where my tooth would have been. The gums are a little sore. And they still have like my little fake 3D printed tooth on there, which I guess is okay. I guess kind of conceals it, kind of not. It's transparent. You can tell I don't have a tooth there. I had really bad allergies today, and thankfully they went away before my appointment. So I had nothing to worry about there. Yeah, they do the big clamp thing and it doesn't feel the best. And, you know, it was